The overall goal of this millimeter-scale sediment extrusion method is to fully characterize events recorded in the sedimentary record by improving sampling resolution.
This method can help answer key questions in the fields of oceanography and limnology, such as which events are recorded in the sedimentary record at the annual to subannual scale, and how those events are manifested. The main advantage of this technique is the improvement of sample resolution. Research technicians from my lab, Bryan O'Malley and Erika Fridrik, will be demonstrating the procedure.
Collect a sediment core that is 1 meter or less. Insert a plastic puck with the same diameter as the tube into the bottom of the core. Now either immediately proceed with extrusion or pack up the core. To pack it, insert a second puck into the other end of the tube and gently press down until the puck is just above the sediment interface. Next, cap the ends of the tube and seal the caps with electrical tape. Then, label the top cap with the sampling information and store the core frozen or at room temperature depending on the analysis. Begin with preparing labeled subsample vessels. Select appropriate vessels based on the type of analysis. Also, have sterilized protective gear at the ready. Then, assemble and sterilize all the necessary cutting implements. If the core has been stored or preserved, remove the bottom cap first using a blade. Then, transfer the core to the extruder using the vacuum in the tube to hold the core in place.